This is Honor X7a, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly do that. Alrighty, so once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. There is no setup needed, just tap at the agree and continue button first, then skip or close the ad that follows. And finally, you are able to connect your device to VPN by tapping at the caret icon over there. Then confirm the connection request. And as you can see, the VPN connection was successfully established. While connected to VPN, you can change the server or even the country that you are currently connected to by tapping over there and choosing the preferred city, country, thus server. And in conclusion, if you would like to disconnect from VPN, you can very easily do that by tapping at the cross icon over there, choosing the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.